Today's probably going to be the biggest improvement we've ever made to the Mazdaspeed 3 with one mod. What I'm talking about is the headlights. Like, bro, look at mine. Currently they got run marks and they're sus as shit. It's all foggy. Our current headlights have got halos in them that don't work. It's new halos for them. There's also some other stuff that we've got to do to customize the headlights. Let's take a look at the halos. Here they are. So there'll be two for each headlight, and see, very clean. And yeah, you look at these, they do change color, but you can see all those individual lights. And personally, I really don't think it looks clean. It's a whole circle and there's no breaks in it. It looks so clean. I bought new headlights for it because if you look at mine, the lenses are pretty damn, yeah, not nice. We compare it to the old one, so much better. This one does have like stone chips and shit in it, but these ones are for a manual level adjustment. My car's automatic light adjustment. So you gotta get your hair dryer or heat gun, heat up all along here. You just get a screwdriver in and pry it away the whole way. Do the same to the bottom, then do it again to the top, and do it again to the bottom. Then just sort of heat it up and start from this corner and just sort of start pulling it away. We'll need to remove this thing here, and that's just one screw there and a couple clips. This is Dallas a couple weeks later, and he thinks you like the video and subscribe and follow me on Instagram and comment down below and share this video with your friends. That is all done. So now next step is we've got to separate this little like black trim thing from the lens. So screw, and I think will come off. So we want to get rid of all these chrome rings. So yeah, I'm guessing it is just clips by the looks. From both headlights we've got one piece like this, one piece like this, an indicator cup, and this. All of these are going to be painted black. Now, one of my followers plasti dipped his like 5 or 6 years ago and it's still holding really good. So we're going to do that because I personally think the matte finish would look better than a gloss finish. Definitely do clean it. Also, your plasti dip, probably don't have it cold, so I will heat it up just a little bit. So that's one coat done. I think we'll do 3, wait about half an hour in between, and we'll do light coats here. Say hello to VoiceOver Dallas. Now, basically I already assembled this one and it looks so damn good, holy shit. I decided to keep the reflector in, because especially on the car, it looks so much better with it on the car. Anyway, the little indicator cups, I had to take the plasti dip out of them because that is illegal and I'm trying to stay legal. Now that did peel a bit of chrome off, so what I would do is I would mask off the cups. That would have been a better thing to do. And yeah, anyways, putting the halo things onto, the little ring things. The kit came with quite a lot of adhesion pads. I used those, and after a day, they're falling off. So I actually used some JB Weld. Now hot glue would probably be the best thing you could use, but I did not have hot glue, so I did not use hot glue. But yeah. So anyways, now I think I'll just remove the old headlights. Shouldn't be too hard. I think first step is just remove your bumper. So I'm going to start with all the bolts clips that just run along the very edge down here. Yeah. After that, probably all the clips along here. Take these off with the clips, these off with the clips. And yeah, then there's 2 clips on each side of the fender well, here and here, that you want to get off. Once you get those clips off, there's an 8mm bolt that's up here. You just need to get that out, but it's 8. So then pull out like that, and also wiring plugins, like probably for your fog lights, you want to undo those. Yeah. Oh my god, wow. Yeah, so the real reason I did this, obviously, well, I did check my washer fluid. Look how low it is. Show you guys how to do this one. You've got a bolt here, you've got this clip here, 1 bolt here, and another one there. Remember what one's the longer one. And the wiring, I also did my wiring as well, reconnecting everything. Yeah, I'm not going to show you guys how to do it because I'm not very good at it. That was my first time doing it. I don't feel qualified to tell you guys, so I should leave a link in the description of the tutorial I watched. So, and yeah, just to put the lens back on the housing, just the same as taking it off, heat it up and push it on. Resealed them, so I did silicone all around there, down the bottom, and all around here. What I did is I got a bit of black paint and just sprayed that silicone black, so you can't really see it now. Now wiring, again, I don't know how to do this, man, so I'm not qualified to teach you. There's plenty of videos, but I will show you what I did. This is a quick splice connector. So basically you'll get your wire from the car going in one channel here, and your wire for the halo going into another. So it'll end up looking like that. Then you just fold this over, and then grab some pliers and clamp it closed. Basically then it pushes the wires into these, which cut it a bit, and that connects them. And it's really easy, no crimping or anything. Yeah. So you need 8 of them, obviously, because there's 4 halos and 2 lights for each one. And I'm doing mine to the parking light. So basically, yeah, black's negative, orange is power. That's all done. It's all on. Bro, that looks so much better than those other bloody halos. Okay, that's weird. Yeah, it just looks so much cleaner than fucking the colours with all the little individual LEDs. Right, I don't feel like I explained everything that well because I was recovering from the famous pandemic, so I want to talk you through that again. So briefly, what we did, take the lens off the headlight, heat it up. After that we painted the rings, so yeah, mask off the indicator cups, because in New Zealand at least, that's illegal, because you know, laws are stupid. So, next, putting the halos onto the rings, so yeah, just JV weld, hot glue, something like that. For the wires, I had to cut the wire on this one and then feed it through a hole that is in this ring and then reconnect the wire. This one, there's just a gap there and I could just feed it through there. Continuing with the wiring, you just push it through the headlight, really easy. What I did is I had it come out the back of the wire, the rubber grommets, which I wouldn't do that again, but yeah, because I tried to copy a business that did that, and I should have known not to copy them. But it looks like they're improving, so good on them. Yay. Anyways, enough with the shit talking, because I feel like they're improving. I don't want to talk shit about a company that's improving, because you know, good. Anyways, and after that, put your lens back on your headlight housing. So, what I did, I reused the factory adhesive. Another thing I wouldn't do, yeah, so heat it up, push it on, and that led to it condensating. So what I had to do, take them off and put silicone all around the edge so there is no gaps. Not a big fan of that. Painted it black at least so it doesn't stick out like a stiff pee-pee. So yeah, wired it into the park light just using quick splice connectors, and this is what it looks like. Damn, it looks fucking good. Holy crap. Literally one of the biggest changes we've done to it, and in person it looks even better. Just, oh, it's so good. What would I change if I were to do it again? Basically, first of all, you know how I put the wires through that little rubber grommet in the back? I wouldn't do that. I would actually drill a hole in the back and cut the wires, feed it through that hole, and then just silicone around the hole. Because having that little rubber stuff open can let moisture and lead to condensation, and we don't want condensation. Then another main thing that I would change is I would instead remove all the factory adhesive and instead use Boodle. Then I wouldn't have needed to silicone it, they wouldn't leak. I really wish I did that. You know, you live and you learn, so, you know, that's all good. That would have made the headlight so much tidier. Anyways, and one last thing is maybe one of the G's sent me this thing, and it's such a good idea. It's a little vent for your headlight. This is basically what a vent allows, if you don't know, is for it to ventilate, because it's a vent, and vent, yeah. Anyways, and that leads to less condensation. Mine don't condensate, but you know, it's a good piece of mine. It looks like $10, who cares? Okay, it's kind of, yeah, the camera won't capture what it looks like, but yeah, trust me, it looks fucking amazing. Yeah, that's the video. Like, subscribe, you know, follow my Instagram, share this video, comment down below, share this, your video with a friend. Yeah, bye.